Why fake it till you make it feels wrong and what to do instead. Hey friends, today we're talking about a popular piece of advice that often backfires. Fake it till you make it. If this feels wrong to you, you're not alone. Let's explore why and what actually works better. Fake it can feel like lying. You say affirmations you don't believe. You act like someone you're not. And your subconscious mind? It doesn't buy it. Instead of faking it, embody it. Step into the energy of your future self, but do it gradually. Use bridge thoughts. I'm open to believing I'm worthy of success. That's not fake. It's honest and expansive. Create small wins that reflect your future self. Want to be confident? Start with a 30-second confident posture each morning. It's real, not fake. So let's ditch the fake it mindset and shift to align and embody. That's where the magic happens. If this helped, like and subscribe for more real manifestation tips. Comment below. What's one belief you're bridging right now?